Waterfalls. There is like a 35-minute hike, I think, and then we're gonna start going down the water. Damajagua Waterfalls is located in Imberg, Puerto Plata in the Dominican Republic, nested in the hills outside the beach area.
Dominican taxi.
Do you guys see that?
There you go.
The excursion provides you with a helmet and lifeguard vest. They do provide 2 bottles of water, and yes, you get to rest in the middle of the hike. We are hiking in the middle of a tropical jungle. We suggest you bring your own water shoes. You can also rent them at the site, but you'll have to get what they have available. You'll be walking on slippery river bedrock and hiking through dirt trails. You will need closed-toe water shoes with a good grip. Also, minimum age for this excursion is 8 years old. Bring a GoPro or waterproof camera. You are going to want to film this. You can also buy photos from the official photographers who follow your group, but the package is usually pricey.
You only have to climb that.
Yeah, I know.
You have to climb.
Actually, we're not jumping. We're just climbing down. Excited, babe? Vanessa, you excited, babe? Go, guys.
Wow.
What do you think so far, babe? Oh, yeah. Are you ready for this, dude?
Yeah.
Good, buddy. Slow here.
You got it? It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold.
I didn't know it was gonna
It is cold. It is cold. It is cold. That was tons of water, dude. Be careful here, guys.
I got it. Slow.
I know, it's okay. Wow. Good man. You're the man. Good job. All right. Yeah, he's okay.
Oh my god.
Oh my God. You did it, dude. You did it. You did it.
Russia, you okay? Vanessa, you okay? I don't know how, but
Vanessa, you alright, babe?
Yeah, we're good.
We're just floating.
So scared for him.
You did good, Tosha. I saw you.
You close your nose?
Give us a tap.
Maybe we should close our nose.
Oh, this is a better flight. Let me go first. You did it. Where's mom? Come on.
You okay? My helmet actually hit the rock.
Oh shit.
You did it?
Yeah.
My my god, this is intense. This is not what I was expecting.
Tosha did good though. Tosha, you did good. Oh my god, that was crazy. That was intense. That was a drop. Yeah. Yeah. Say smile, say hi, Tosha.
I put a 5-second delay, so
Yeah.
it's 360.
Oh yeah.
You guys, so
Oh yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, exactly.
I step on rock and roll.
Yeah. Come on,
Dad, that was actually.
let's stay here because we gotta wait for everybody. You made it. Yeah. Wow. Oh, you alright, babe? Okay, Poppy. Look. Yeah. Okay. Be careful. Let me go in the front. Hold on. Hey, una foto. Manesita, what you want to do? Jump or you do the slide? Okay.
You jump? No, but you have to be in.
What is he going to do?
Slide over here.
Slide is over there.
Slide, go to Papito.
Vanesita, go over there. Yeah.
How bad the slide is? Let's jump. Let's jump, okay? Jump.
You'll be fine. Come on.
You're going to be a champ if you do this.
You'll be okay.
Let me jump first. Let me jump first.
Yeah, you can.
No, for them.
Where is the stairs?
No, mira.
In the middle? Yeah. Oh, God. Okay. All right. I'm coming.
1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, take this slide. Take this slide. I'll take it now. Sorry, we're checking out, guys. Yeah, go ahead, baby. Go ahead.
Hey, me.
No, wait for you go first. No, you need to go first. She cannot go by herself. Wait.
No, let her go. Let her go.
Oh my god.
Come on, baby. Come on. You don't want to do the slide? Okay, we'll do the stairs.
Coming through, guys. Coming through.
Where are you going?
Yeah, I'll go with you guys.
What are you talking about? Go jump. Go with
No, I
me to the
couldn't
stairs,
do it.
I'm gonna jump.
Okay, all right.
Wait,
let me.
Daddy's gonna take her down the stairs.
Come on.
There goes the smart one right there.
Yeah. He's too, I'll take him down too. All right, come on. Come on, man. How was it, babe? Come on, Tosh. Wow, you're the only one that didn't chicken out, baby.
That's all.
Yeah.
Lay down. We want to see you.
Come on, man. Come on. Where's Vanessa?
Right there.
Where?
She's already
Oh,
down.
she's over there. See? Yeah.
Come on. Now my family's up there. I jumped. I did the jump.
Hey, boys. How was the slide, Vanessa? Oh, yeah.
How about this? Oh my god, it was so good.
Wow, that's it, dude. How was it?
That was cool.
Amazing, right?
Yeah.
Nice. So you're the only one.
I'm the only one from this family who jump.
I know.
And I'm the scaredy cat of the
But Vanesita at least did the slide.
Yeah.
She, me and Tosha did the stairs, right, Tosh?
If you found this guide helpful, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more Dominican Republic travel tips and adventures. Have you ever jumped off a waterfall? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay adventurous.
Hi guys, thanks for watching our videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and I hope you guys enjoyed us, and bye guys, see you in the next video.
So how was it? Oh yeah? Have fun? Have fun, babe?
Yeah, tired.
Tired?
Look at that bird.
Yeah.
Look at him, baby.
Oh yeah.